Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the first video from my new kitchen, which is quite exciting, but I don't think that a lot of it changed. So yeah, let's just do this recipe, shall we? You want to start out with some flour in a bowl. You want to add some salt to that, as well as 1 egg. And then you want to go ahead and add your butter in chunks, and I will have the exact measurements down below as always. You want to quickly knead this into an even dough. And then you want to let it rest for an hour in the fridge. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and cut down your smoked tofu. And you want to also cut down your zucchini into rings, or like whatever you call that. Slices, that's the one. Then you want to take a big pan, you want to heat up some oil, and then you want to go ahead and start frying the tofu for about 5 minutes. When the time's up, you want to go ahead and add in the zucchini slices, and you want to put on a lid and let that sit for another 5 minutes. Meanwhile, you want to go ahead and take your sour cream. You want to mix that with the eggs, as well as some salt, some pepper, nutmeg, and Italian spices. And you want to give that a good mix. Now you want to get the dough out of the fridge and spread it out in your quiche form. Then you want to slowly add the zucchini mixture to that and spread it out evenly. And then lastly, drizzle the sauce on top. And then you're ready to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. And then you're done. And it turned out very delicious. I think that the smoked tofu worked really well with it in this recipe. I hope you give it a try, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!